Welcome to today's video on algorithms in bioinformatics. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of bioinformatics and how algorithms play a crucial role in its advancements. Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary field that combines biology, computer science, and statistics to study and analyze biological data. It involves developing algorithms and computational tools to process and interpret vast amounts of biological data, ranging from DNA sequences to protein structures. One key area where algorithms are extensively used in bioinformatics is sequence alignment. DNA and protein sequences are like strings of letters, and aligning them helps identify similarities, differences, and patterns. Algorithms such as the Smith-Waterman algorithm and the widely used BLAST algorithm enable scientists to align sequences and compare them across different organisms. This information can reveal evolutionary relationships and provide insights into genetic diseases. Another crucial algorithm in bioinformatics is the hidden Markov model, HMM. HMMs are statistical models used to predict the structure and function of proteins. By analyzing a protein's amino acid sequence and comparing it to a database of known protein structures, HMMs can make predictions about a protein's 3D structure or its functional properties. Clustering algorithms, such as k-means clustering and hierarchical clustering, are also heavily used in bioinformatics. Clustering helps group similar biological entities together based on their characteristics. For example, clustering genes based on their expression patterns can help identify genes involved in specific diseases or biological processes. In addition to these examples, there are numerous other algorithms used in bioinformatics. Graph algorithms are used to analyze gene networks and metabolic pathways. Machine learning algorithms help predict protein-protein interactions, and optimization algorithms aid in solving complex problems like genome assembly and protein folding. Algorithms are at the heart of bioinformatics and continue to drive advancements in this field. They enable researchers to uncover hidden patterns in biological data, make predictions, and gain a deeper understanding of complex biological systems. As technology advances, the development of new algorithms will become even more crucial in tackling the challenges of big data in bioinformatics. That wraps up our video on algorithms in bioinformatics. I hope you found it informative and gained a better understanding of the role algorithms play in this exciting field. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on bioinformatics and related topics.